Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense forest, there lived a grumpy old bear named Boris and a sly, cunning wolf named Wolfgang. Despite being neighbors, they couldn't stand each other. Boris was always grumbling about Wolfgang's pranks, and Wolfgang found Boris's grumpiness endlessly amusing. One sunny day, Boris decided he'd had enough of Wolfgang's antics. He decided to teach him a lesson. So, he sneaked into Wolfgang's den while the wolf was out hunting and rearranged everything. He moved the furniture, hid Wolfgang's prized bone collection, and even swapped his beloved squirrel-shaped pillow for a rock. When Wolfgang returned and saw the chaos in his den, he was furious. But being the crafty wolf he was, instead of getting angry, he decided to play a prank on Boris. He snuck over to Boris's cave and filled it with helium balloons while the bear was out foraging for honey. When Boris returned and opened the door to his cave, he was greeted with a sight that made him blink in disbelief. His entire cave was floating in the air, tethered to the ground by a mass of colorful balloons. At first, Boris was too stunned to react, but then he burst into laughter. And when Wolfgang appeared, trying and failing to stifle his giggles, Boris couldn't help but join in. From that day on, Boris and Wolfgang became the best of friends, bonding over their love for mischief and laughter. And though their pranks never ceased, they always made sure to keep each other laughing, even if it meant floating away on a cloud of balloons every once in a while.